Anil Kapoor found himself vanishing into the past to revisit the memories of the iconic film Mr. India, which has recently completed 33 years in the industry. Now, from the concept of an invisible man to the iconic Mogambo, Anil Kapoor revisits all these pleasant memories and also, most importantly, talks about a very interesting anecdote about the music of the film. Not just that, he also speaks about the basic message of the film, which is compassion, honesty, and kindness, which are virtues that are still relevant even today. Here's the story.
If you grew up in the 80s and the 90s, Mr. India का आप पे बहुत बड़ा impact रहा होगा. Made way before cutting-edge special effects and green screens, Mr. India was truly ahead of its time in both concept and execution. And who can forget one of the most iconic lines in Indian cinema, Mogambo Khush hua. Recently, Mr. India completed 33 years and Anil Kapoor, who was catapulted to stardom, soon after found himself in a nostalgic mood while remembering how the film came together. Sharing a long post on his social media timeline, Anil ji included a clip of a song from the film as well. Writing about his memories about the film, Anil ji said, 34 years of Mr. India. Mr. India was and always will be a very important film for me. I remember even 34 years ago when we began the journey, I became obsessed with every detail. In addition to an unusual storyline, Mr. India also boasted of some fabulous music, whether it was Hawa Hawai, Kaate Nahi Katte, or the soulful Zindagi Ki Yehi Reet Hai. खास बात तो ये है कि it was Anil Kapoor who insisted that जिंदगी की यही रीत है be sung by Kishore Kumar. लेकिन किशोर दा और लक्ष्मीकांत प्यारेलाल, who were the composers of the song, उनके बीच उन दिनों बातचीत बंद थी. Reminiscing about how he made the impossible happen, Anil ji writes, "From the time I heard the tune of Zindagi Ki Yehi Reet Hai, I could only imagine Kishore Da's voice singing it. At that time, Kishore Da and Lakshmikant Pyarelal did not want to work together. I went to Kishore Kumar's residence and mediated their patch-up. The end result was this beautiful melody which is so uplifting during these tough times." The film, which was directed by Shekhar Kapoor, was a great mix of comedy, drama, music, dance, and just the right dose of patriotism. Speaking about its continuing significance, Anil ji wrote, "Today is 33 years since the release of Mr. India, and its message is still as important, if not more so. Be kind to each other, do the right thing. Life may get tough, but in the end, good will prevail."